Everyone loves avocados at the moment. On the stand 52 weeks of the year, we've had busy times with avocados for the last 5-6 years, definitely. At the moment, this time of the year, Shepards are just coming to an end. So this is the last week of Shepards. They've had a good season. Fruit's eating perfect because the fruit's more mature, yeah? Because they're more mature, they got more oil content, and that's what gives them the flavour. Shepards are actually green on the skin, same as a Hass, but they actually stay green. And the fruit cut's good as well. Look at the way it cuts. It cuts beautiful. Plenty of flesh. They can only grow in Atherton and in Bundaberg only. Further down, it gets too cold for them. That's why Hass are more of what's around. Then there's a few other varieties. There's an old variety called Fiorenti. There's some Reeds. There's Shavels. There's other varieties, but not in volume as much as the Hass. Hass have been going for about a month now. So they start off green. As they ripen, they change colour to a darker colour. So the darker one is the riper one, which is ready to use. The greener one is something that you leave on your kitchen table for a couple of days and will turn colour for it to be ready to be eaten. A housewife will come and pick an avocado to use today, is what they normally do. So we need to fill the tops for sponginess. When they're spongy means they're good to go. But with your local greengrocer, they love what they do, like I love what I do here, and they're just trying to keep their customers happy.
In my family, they like Shepard mostly. They like because of their taste.
For me, Hass is my favorite avocado every time because it got more flavor.
I prefer Hass because of its creamy texture.
All the avocados. Each time, a good avocado is a good avocado. I'll put it on the toast, bit of guacamole. I'll make everything with it.
I like to eat it with the toast.
Bit of lemon, salt, pepper, and he eats a whole. He's only 4-year-old, and since he was 2, he's been eating avocados.
They both eat just as good as each other. The more mature they are, the longer they are on the trees, the more oil content they get, so the better they eat. Normally they're on the tree for about 8 months, 7-8 months. After that is when they start picking. So if you go to sydneymarkets.com.au, there's plenty of recipes there that you can look at, give you plenty of ideas. Avocados on toast is really good. In a salad, in your pasta, guacamole, you can put it in your burger. You can have them on your breakfast rolls on bacon and eggs. My favourite way of having avocados is having toast with Vegemite. Putting a bit of avocado on top is the best thing, mate. Saves you putting salt and pepper with the Vegemite, it works out well. It's a meal on its own, mate. However you want to do it, they're very easy to work with and they eat beautiful. The best place to get your avocados is from your local greengrocer. These guys know what they're doing and they love what they do. And they'll steer you in the right way to get exactly what you want. If you need fruit to use tonight, they'll have it for you. It's our job to do that for them.